Next is Team 11, helvetiX, an XR guide to Helvetia with Thomas Weibel and Roberta Padlina. Are you guys ready?
Yes, we are.
Yes, the floor is yours.
And here we go. Okay. If you're a Roman soldier, a legionary, and set out for Switzerland, you might easily run into problems not finding your way. You might be well equipped with a roadmap of the Roman Empire, such as this one, which has been preserved in Geneva. This is a small section of it. Here you might recognize Lake Constance. This is Curia, where my university sits. You might know Arbor Felix, which is today's Arbon, Ad Fines, Pin, Vindonissa, Augusta Raurica, and so on. But this is a map with a couple of problems. So what the Romans did not have is any sort of information technology and virtual reality, which, by the way, might have been one of the reasons for the decay of the Roman Empire. So I took digital 3D information about Switzerland, databases providing place names and a map of Switzerland without any modern infrastructure, without present-day buildings, a map showing Switzerland or the province of Helvetia as it might have been 2,000 years ago. This is what we got. You can test it by yourselves. Get your smartphone, point it to the QR code, or enter the URL helvetiX.thomasweibel.ch directly. And what you'll get is this. The app will take you right where you are at the moment. At the bottom, you have a compass in Roman numerals, of course, because we are all Romans. You can drag the landscape or just turn around with your smartphone to discover or to detect any Roman settlement nearby. I am living near Fribourg, as you can see. So by hitting the single arrow button, I managed to move forward to Friburgum, the Latin name. In order to translate, I put the present-day Helvetian name as well as the airline distance to the settlement. If you need instructions on how to use the app, hit the I button. So you'll get the instructions in Latin, of course. You can, if you don't understand anything, you can write an email. Hitting the double arrow button will take you up by 10,000 double steps, which was the common measure in ancient Rome, to get a glimpse, to catch a glimpse on that marvelous province of Helvetia. Hitting the double arrow button again will take you down, and on top you have an input field. You can enter any place name in Switzerland, Chur, for instance, and since Chur was a Roman town in ancient times, it will take you right to Curia, which was the ancient name for Chur, and hitting the central button at the bottom will take you back to AR mode, which is take you back where you are at the moment. So,
thank you, Thomas. Now you have a minute for questions.
It's once more a very exciting project. I'm sure people want to explore it. Is the link already available on the documentation page?
The link is available. I showed you the QR code. The URL would be helvetiX.thomasweibel.ch. The app is up and running. It is in Latin, of course. And by the way, thanks to my co-worker Roberta Padlina, who provided the Latin translations. My Latin is not so fluent as it used to be.
So you would recommend that we go to Duolingo first and do a crash course?
Or you can write an email, but emails in Latin, please.
Okay. Is it easy to add some new information?
Yes, it absolutely easily. And that's a crucial point because It's not scientific at all. So what is needed now is historical research, is historical accuracy. The modification of the information in the app is super easy.